You guys, I'll never guess how much money I made this weekend on TikTok. All I did was go live for 6 hours from Friday to Sunday. Let me know your guess in the comments below. I'll give you guys a hint. I'm 23 years old. It's more money than some of my friends are gonna make this week for going to work for 40 hours. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and on my channel, I give away all my secrets, all my insights, all my analytics on how I grow my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you guys are interested in this, I really suggest that you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what more you want to learn. So as I said, guys, I live streamed for 6 hours this weekend from Friday to Sunday. When I first started, I had 67,000 followers. When I ended up, I had 140,000 followers. So the amount of money that I made is right here. As you guys can see, $600 was exported. I made $100 an hour live streaming on TikTok. Now, I could not have done this without you guys. This is a huge shout out to you guys. Thanks for the donations. You can only export in $50 increments, so I still have $44 in my account. I'm gonna be live streaming all next week, and maybe I'll make this a weekly thing. Maybe I'll let you guys know how much money I made every single week. I'll shout out all the donators on this. You let me know in the comment section below what you guys want me to do, but I don't want you guys to get it twisted. I am incredibly thankful to everybody that donated, so I wanna shout you guys out. If you donated to I'm Very Rich or a Drama Queen, I'm about to shout you out right now. If you want to be shouted out next week, I go live every day at 8 p.m. Eastern. All you have to do is donate and I'm Very Rich and Drama Queen. I'm going to duet you. I'm going to shout you out. I do a ton of things. I get people followers. It's crazy what I'm doing for people that donate. I really appreciate you guys. So here's the list of people. Eastonese012, Leeman254, Camdog1234566, coopzilla, averagegirlpower, Daniela, you're my #1 fan. Thank you so much. Matt Broski, Isaiah Raider or Athletic 24, Fuffernutter, Marcus Montoya 136, Seth's World, Well Done 020, Coszaw, and Syed Kazim 122520003. Thank you guys so much. I also want to give a special shout out to A_girl_with_A_dream. Angela, you're awesome. Thanks for tuning in to all my live streams. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys want to be shouted out next week, you need to tune into my live streams, 8 p.m. Eastern. Let me know in the chat that you saw this YouTube video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys to everybody that donated. Seriously guys, none of this would be possible without you guys viewing my videos, without subscribing. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, without donating. I thank you guys so much. I don't want you guys to think I'm doing this for money. It's just like a perk that comes along with this stuff. I love you guys so much, and I want you to know if you do donate, I got people, hundreds of followers. I'm duetting you guys. I put some people's names in my bio. I'm really helping you guys out. I'm trending right now. I'm trying to spread the love to everybody that tunes in my live streams. So make sure you guys tune in to my next live stream. I go live every day at 8 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys check it out. Let me know that you guys watch this video. Thank you so much.